Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Students, today we are going to do rhyming words. Students, rhyming words have the same ending sounds. Rhyming words सेम एंडिंग साउंड्स रखते हैं, जैसा कि आप पिक्चर्स में देख सकते हैं। आइए मेरे साथ पढ़िए। कार, जार, फार, सन, बन, रन, कैप, नैप, टैब, टॉय, बॉय, जॉय, log, frog, dog, jug, mug, rug, pet, vet, nut, pin, tin, bin, eat, beat, seat, cat, hat, bat. So students, these are rhyming words on page number 26. So we will learn today rhyming words.